Good afternoon, class 10. Today we will study about the plant movement. Children, you know plants are fixed in one place. But how movement of plant is possible? There is also movement of different parts of the plants. It is possible due to the external stimulus. Such external stimulus are light, gravity, water. Different types of stimulus we'll study in this class. Okay children, let's start today's lesson. That one is the movement in plant due to growth. Movement of a plant in response to an external stimulus in which the direction of stimulus determines the direction of response is called tropism. There are different types of tropism. There are mainly 5 types of common stimuli in the environment, like light, gravity, chemicals, water and touch. These 5 stimuli give us 5 types of tropism: phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism and thigmotropism. You can see also here stimulus and tropism. Types of tropism: light, gravity, chemical, water, touch and phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, thigmotropism. I think children you know about photo means light, geo gravity, chemo chemicals, hydro means water and thigmo means touch. So now I will tell briefly about this all. First of all, the movement of a plant part in response to light is called phototropism. First one is the phototropism. The movement of plant part in response to light is called phototropism. In other words, the response of a plant to light is called phototropism. If the plant part moves towards light, it is called positive phototropism. On the other hand, if the plant part moves away from the light, it is called negative phototropism. So, on the other hand, the roots of a plant move away from the light, so the roots of a plant show negative phototropism. Next one is you can see here, response of plant to the direction of light. Say this shoot of the plant is show the direction towards the light. And plant showing geotropism. See this positive geotropism by the roots and negative geotropism by the shoots of the plants. So children, next is the movement of plant part in response to a chemical stimulus is called chemotropism. In other words, the response of a plant to chemical stimulus is called chemotropism. If the plant part shows movement towards the chemicals, it is called positive chemotropism. On the other hand, if the plant part shows movement away from the chemical, then it is called negative chemotropism. The growth of pollen tube towards the ovule during the process of fertilization in a flower is an example of chemotropism. So next one is the movement of a plant part in response to water is called hydrotropism. In other words, the response of a plant part to water is called hydrotropism. If the plant part moves towards water, it is called positive hydrotropism. On the other hand, if the plant part moves away from the water, then it is called negative hydrotropism. The roots of a plant always go towards water. So, roots are positive hydrotropism. I have shown here also, its roots are always positive hydrotropism. So children, say next one is the directional growth movement of a plant part in response to the touch of an object is called thigmotropism. Thigmo means touch. The climbing parts of the plants such as tendrils, you can see here in the example also, of a plant always grow towards any support which they happen to touch. They show positive thigmotropism. This one always show the positive thigmotropism. Here also this cucumber plants is climbing on a support with the help of its climbing organs called tendrils. You can see here climbing organs at the branches of another. Here it climbs. So this is the example of. Now answer these questions. Give the scientific terms used to represent the following: bending of a shoot towards the light, growing of roots towards the earth, bending of roots towards water. Name 5 types of tropism. How are tropic movement helpful to plants? Explain with an example. This one is number 1 and number 2 it is given here. Okay, this one is the number 2. Name 5 types of tropism. This one is the number 2. Okay, children, do this all. Best of luck.